Looking for the best DJ controller in 2024? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 DJ controllers to elevate your mixing game, whether you're a beginner or a pro. We'll be reviewing the Hercules DJControl Inpulse 200 MK2, Pioneer DJ DDJ-REV1, Numark Mixtrack Pro FX, Hercules Inpulse 500, and the Pioneer DJ DDJ-FLX4. Let's find your perfect match. Number 5. The Hercules DJControl Inpulse 200 MK2 is a fantastic entry-level DJ controller that's ideal for beginners and anyone looking to hone their DJing skills. Designed with a focus on learning, it offers innovative features like the Beat Match Guide, which uses light guides to help users align tempo and beats, making it easier to understand the essentials of mixing. Additionally, it includes a stems feature, allowing for unique remixing capabilities that enable creativity beyond simple mixing. The controller supports popular streaming services such as Beatport, SoundCloud Go Plus, and Tidal, giving users easy access to a vast music library. Plus, its compatibility with Serato DJ Lite and DJ software provides versatile mixing options, and there's an option to upgrade to Serato DJ Pro for even more professional tools. The included tutorials from the DJ Academy help users quickly master the basics, making it approachable yet powerful. User feedback highlights the controller's portability and functionality, with some minor issues like the older USB standard and a hardwired cable. Overall, it's a high-value tool for beginner DJs or seasoned pros seeking a portable practice setup. Number 4. The Pioneer DJ DDJ-REV1 is a powerful entry-level DJ controller with a battle-style layout, making it ideal for open format and scratch DJs. Emulating the professional DJ-MS mixer and PLX turntable setup, this controller features unique horizontally positioned tempo sliders, a spacious layout, and larger-than-average jog wheels for its class. These design choices give beginners and seasoned DJs an authentic turntable feel. The tracking scratch feature is a standout, letting DJs scratch without needing to rewind the jog wheel or crossfader. By moving the jog backward or lifting their hand, the track returns to its cue point, making scratching intuitive for new users. With Serato DJ Lite Scratch Bank integration, artists can instantly access samples, and Deck 3 or 4 control enables mixing from 4 Serato decks. A built-in microphone input lets DJs seamlessly add vocals to their mixes without extra gear, simplifying streaming on social media. Users appreciate its compact design, plug-and-play setup, and robust performance. While vinyl DJs may miss the feel of larger platters, the DDJ-REV1 is a versatile, high-value controller with battle-style functionality that compares well to higher-end models. Ideal for beginners or mobile DJs, it's a top choice for mixing, scratching, and live streaming. Number 3. The Numark Mixtrack Pro FX is a versatile and user-friendly 2-deck DJ controller designed for beginners and intermediate DJs, offering an affordable entry into digital mixing with Serato DJ Lite included. With its 6-inch capacitive touch jog wheels, DJs can achieve an authentic turntable feel, perfect for scratching, cueing, and beat matching. The FX paddles allow DJs to apply effects creatively, and the dedicated loop and performance pad controls make it easy to access loops, cues, fader cuts, and samples. The controller integrates with SoundCloud and Tidal, allowing DJs to stream millions of tracks, from fresh releases to classic hits, directly within Serato. Its built-in 24-bit audio interface ensures high-quality sound output, while the plug-and-play USB connectivity makes it straightforward to set up on both Mac and PC. User feedback highlights the controller's intuitive layout and solid build, with some users noting that they prefer using it with Virtual DJ over Serato Lite, as Virtual DJ offers a broader range of creative features. The only potential limitation is the RCA output, which may not suit every venue. Overall, the Mixtrack Pro FX is a reliable, well-rounded controller for DJs looking to level up their skills with a feature-rich yet affordable option. Number 2. The Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500 is a well-designed 2-deck DJ controller that's ideal for both beginner and intermediate DJs, offering a mix of functionality, durability, and ease of use. With a built-in audio interface and multiple output options, this controller lets DJs plug in and start mixing seamlessly on Serato DJ Lite or DJ software. The 16 backlit RGB pads and large touch-sensitive jog wheels give it a professional feel, while the filter at FX section enables smooth, creative transitions. A standout feature is its retractable feet, which elevate the controller to protect it from spills, an invaluable touch for gig settings. The underside lighting adds a visual edge that many DJs enjoy in low-light venues. With loop buttons, vinyl mode, and touch detection jog wheels, DJs can scratch and cue with precision. User reviews highlight the controller's high-quality build, noting that even experienced DJs appreciate its sturdy feel and versatile input/output options. Many users also praise the video tutorials from DJ Hubba on DJU-CED, which offer a solid foundation for learning DJ basics. While DJU-CD is user-friendly, many find scratching more responsive with Serato. Compact and powerful, the Inpulse 500 is a reliable choice for DJs at any stage. Number 1. The Pioneer DJ DDJ-FLX4 is a highly versatile, beginner-friendly 2-deck controller compatible with both Rekordbox and Serato DJ Lite software, offering excellent flexibility. This controller is packed with features designed to streamline the DJing experience for new users, including Smart Fader and Smart CFX options, which make smooth transitions and dynamic effects easy to execute. With a simple, club-style layout and larger jog wheels, the FLX4 provides a professional feel in a compact design. Beginners and hobbyists appreciate its straightforward setup and intuitive design, allowing them to jump into mixing with confidence. Users highlight the multi-device compatibility and USB audio output, which make it easy to use on various platforms. Its streaming integration also allows for access to an extensive music library. While it is advertised as compatible with Serato, many users note that the FLX4 performs best with Rekordbox, as some features in Serato may require additional licensing. The Smart Fader function, though helpful for transitions, may feel like a gimmick to experienced DJs. Overall, the DDJ-FLX4 is ideal for new DJs looking for a reliable, user-friendly controller without committing to a high cost, making it a great investment for beginners wanting to explore the craft. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Check the description for product links, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.